Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet a shawl. For this purpose I am using a 4 mm crochet hook and a worsted weight yarn. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. I am going to make 49 base chain. You can take multiple of 11 plus 1 base chain according to your desired size. So simply make your 49 base chain. After completing your base chain, make chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 4 is counted as our triple crochet stitch. Now make chain 2, total of chain 6. Wrap the yarn twice for triple crochet stitch. Go into this 49th chain and pull the yarn. Pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops and then pull through third 2 loops to make a triple crochet stitch. Now again wrap the yarn twice, go into the second chain, pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then second 2 loops and then third 2 loops. This is our triple crochet 2. Again repeat the same pattern and make triple crochet 3. Go into the fourth and make triple crochet 4. Go into the fifth and make triple crochet 5. Now go into the sixth and make triple crochet 6. But don't finish this last stitch. And wrap the yarn twice. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chains. Go into the 6th chain and pull the yarn. Pull through 2 loops only and then pull through 2 loops. And this is our unfinished triple crochet stitch 2. Now pull through all 3 loops to make a triple crochet together stitch like this. Now wrap the yarn twice again and make triple crochet 2. Triple crochet 3. Triple crochet 4. Triple crochet 5. And triple crochet 6. After making 6 triple crochet stitches, now make chain 5, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 After completing chain 5, wrap the yarn twice. Go into the same chain where we have made our last triple crochet stitch. Go into the same stitch and make triple crochet 1 for the other side. Now go into the next chain and make triple crochet 2. Go into the next chain and make triple crochet 3. Go into the next chain and make triple crochet 4. Go into the next chain and make triple crochet 5. Go into the next and make triple crochet 6. But don't finish this last triple crochet stitch. And repeat this same zigzag pattern again. Wrap the yarn twice, skip 5 chains, go into the 6th chain, pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops only and then 2 loops only. Now pull through all 3 loops to make a triple crochet together stitch. This is our first triple crochet stitch. Now make triple crochet 2, triple crochet 3, triple crochet 4, triple crochet 5, and then triple crochet 6. Now make chain 5 like this shell stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After completing chain 5, wrap the yarn twice, go into the same chain where we have made our last triple crochet stitch and make first triple crochet stitch. Now go into the next chain and make triple crochet 2, triple crochet 3, triple crochet 4, triple crochet 5, triple crochet 5 and triple crochet 6, but don't finish this last triple crochet stitch. Don't finish this last stitch here. And wrap the yarn twice again. Again skip 5 chains for the bottom side. Go into 6th chain and make a triple crochet together stitch. This is our first triple crochet stitch. Now make triple crochet 2, triple crochet 3, triple crochet 4, triple crochet 5, and triple crochet 6. So this is the zigzag pattern. Now make chain 2, wrap the yarn twice, go into the same last stitch again and make last triple crochet stitch as we have done. Chain 4 for triple crochet stitch, make triple crochet stitch in the last. This is a one row repeat pattern. Now we are going to repeat the same row again. So make chain 4, which is counted as our first triple crochet stitch. Now make chain 2 again. Wrap the yarn twice, go into this chain 2 space of first row and make triple crochet 1, go into the same space again and make triple crochet 2 and make triple crochet 3. After making 3 triple crochet stitches into chain 2 space, go into the next triple crochet stitch and make triple crochet 4, go into the next and make triple crochet 5, go into the next and make triple crochet 6, but don't finish this last stitch as we have done in the first row. Wrap the yarn twice and skip 5 stitches as we have skipped 5 chains. Go into the 6th stitch and make a triple crochet together stitch here. Same pattern as we have done here. Repeat the same pattern here. Now make triple crochet 2, triple crochet 3 into this last triple crochet stitch. Now for the next 3 triple crochet stitches, go into this chain 5 space and make triple crochet 4, triple crochet 5 and triple crochet 6. After completing 6 triple crochet stitches, now again repeat the same pattern of chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now wrap the yarn twice, go into the same chain 5 space again and make triple crochet 1, triple crochet 2, triple crochet 3. After making 3 triple crochet stitches, go into the next triple crochet stitch and make triple crochet 4, go into the next and make triple crochet 5, and then go into the next and make triple crochet stitch 6, but don't finish this last triple crochet stitch. Now again skip 5 stitches as we have skipped 5 chains in first row. Repeat the same pattern and make a triple crochet together stitch. Now you can see we are repeating same pattern as we have done in the first row. Repeat this till the end. Now after completing 3 triple crochet stitches, go into this last chain 2 space and make triple crochet 4, triple crochet 5, and then triple crochet 6. I hope you can easily understand the pattern. After completing 6 triple crochet stitches, make chain 2 and a triple crochet stitch in the last, and repeat the same pattern at the end of every row. So now you can see the pattern. This is a very beautiful and fast to make zigzag pattern for shawl, but you can also use this pattern in other crochet projects. Now make chain 4, which is counted as our triple crochet stitch, and then make chain 2, total of chain 6, and after making chain 6, make 3 triple crochet stitches into this chain 2 space of second row, and now repeat the second row again. Now repeat this row again and again until you reach the required length of your scarf or shawl. So friends, I have completed my length and I have cutted the extra yarn. Now you can weave the extra yarn end with the help of needle. So this is the final scarf. If you like this tutorial and this pattern, please try. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.